How to install? Fixing the lock body and panel. Install battery. Verify if it's working when it's power on. Unlock by fingerprint. Wrong method. Correct method. How to change password? Enter user password 1234 plus C. Set new code plus OK when green light flashing. Unlock it by new code. Input management fingerprint. Enter management code ZC. Press your fingerprint for 3 times. Now can unlock it by new fingerprint. Change to be public mode. Take out battery inside. Insert the setting hole with a special pin. Put back the battery and keep pressing the pin. Public mode is made after 3 long sound. How to work under public mode? Open cabinet and store. Close it and set new code. Automatically locked. Red light flashing every 6 seconds when it's under use. Enter your previous code. Please reuse as per previous process. Delete all fingerprint. Press it with management fingerprint for 3 times. Enter 000 加 OK. Now you can unlock it with any fingerprint after you delete it. Emergency supply. Lock doesn't work while it's no power. Can charge it with power bank.